everyone, here is the unboxing video of ZKTeco Smart Bulb LB1, an entry-level dimmable LED bulb, suitable for your bedroom, living room, kitchen, etc. Firstly, let's take a look at the package. Here, we can find some basic functions like remote control, set schedules, dimmable, music synchronization, voice control, multicolor and tunable white, scene setting, and group control. Now, let's unbox the LB1 and take a quick look at what's inside the package. And here is a quick start guide written in English and Spanish. And here is the smart bulb itself. There are two types of lamp base of this bulb. The first one is American standard E26 for AC 110 to 130 voltage, and the other one is European standard E27 for AC 220 to 240 voltage. Just choose the right lamp base according to the voltage in your home. Next, let's start setting up LB1, and I will show you how to connect it to the ZSmart app and what functions it can achieve. Firstly, click on the ZSmart app. And if you do not have an account, create a new one with your email. Then input your account information and log in. And then we need to power on the device. We need to fix it into the lamp base properly. And then switch it on. And wait for a few seconds until the light blinks rapidly, which indicates that it's in pairing mode. And then you need to enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi permissions, and click on the ZSmart app here to add the device. Tap the Add button once the device appears, and follow the on-screen prompts to pair the device automatically. Now, you can control the smart bulb with your smartphone. With the app, we can realize dimmer control, scene setting, music synchronization setting, and we can also set timer, schedule, and group control as needed. Let's test those functions one by one. Here, we have the switch button to turn on or turn off the bulb by one click. And we can also adjust the color temperature from cool white to warm white. We can change the bulb color depending on what we want to handle. Also, we can set the saturation and brightness. Let's go to the scene setting. Here are some preset scenes for your reference, and we can modify it and save them to fit your current mode, activity, or any special occasion. Next is the music synchronization function. Our smart light bulb LB1 can synchronize with music immersed into the music beats. And we tap the schedule button. We can generate a schedule for the LB1, and it will turn off or turn on at a specific time. Click the upper right corner, and we can also add various lights to a group, and we can control all the lights in this group by one click. Okay, we went through the unboxing and setup of LB1. Control the lights automatically and remotely. Also helps you reducing your energy cost. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.